Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So if you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, I know I wasn't. There's tons of different companies out there that do monthly subscriptions, like clothing subscriptions. ThreadBeast kind of stood out for me. Yeah, they're kind of on the expensive side depending on what one you go with. This is the second from top of the line. The top of the line is their Baller program, which you can't actually order directly off their website. You have to email them, reach out to them, and try it that way. This is the premium, I believe. This is the $150. If you check out my description, there's a link in there that gives you, I believe, $50 worth of extra clothing in your first subscription, whatever one you decide. The details are there as well. It tells you what it gives you. So without further ado, they give you a custom person. I believe this is like $200 and something. Like they guarantee you it's like a set value. I don't remember the exact amount, but you can check on their website. They're all over Instagram. They're all over Facebook. And that's why I decided I just want to check it out and see what it's like. So they look at your Instagram, they look at your social media, you can send them details, you go through a selection telling them like sizes, like what style of clothing you wear, kind of like outrageous or plain, or you kind of tell them what style you're looking for. Then you can tell them things you don't like, and they go from there. And then I guess your first box, they really didn't they didn't have much to go off of. I answered all their questions. I gave them like one or two like I'm not really a fan of, but that's it. So I really don't know what I'm gonna get. So let's check it out. Oh, there was also a code, and the reason why I did this, it's $150 for this box. And they had a code, which I had never heard of these, but I looked it up, and these alone are $150. They are the spectacles, which are for the Snapchat. So I'm gonna open this last, but these are basically for your iPhone and their glasses to work with Snapchat, and it has like a built-in camera on them, like video, I believe. So you can record using these, which is kind of funny, kind of cool, different, even though I don't personally Snapchat. So we got a ThreadBeast, I love stickers, ThreadBeast sticker, so those two things, just this alone paid for the box, basically, if I turn around and resell it. And that's my cat, Angel, which she hopefully will move. Can you go? So the first thing this comes with, I apologize. First package, congratulations on becoming an exclusive ThreadBeast member. This package serves as your first style upgrade. The pieces included are meant to be mixed and matched with what you currently own in your closet. And then it basically tells you how to start a new membership and hashtag and all that other stuff with these. So the first thing we have looks like a sweatshirt, which I gave them my size. Let's see if it works. Yeah. So I prefer large sweatshirts. What the heck? Okay. So this is a sweatshirt, but no sleeves, by Black Scale. So I've never had a sweatshirt with no sleeves, so that's definitely unique. Not sure if I'm a fan of that, but it's definitely solid, that's for sure. I mean, I might wear it depending. Okay. These are weird. So they are skinny jeans, request premier, premium request jeans, premium. They're my size, but it says they're skinny jeans, and on the thing it asks you for different style, and I did not choose skinny jeans as the jean style of my preferred. Now mind you, I'm gonna definitely try this on. But I'm not a big fan of skinny jeans. It's a weird material. It's like jeans, but they're not jeans. It's like I don't know how to describe this. What is this considered made out of? Black coated. It's 75% cotton, 25% polyester. But that definitely feels more like polyester to me. Yeah, so far I'm kind of not really digging this. I'm gonna have to try it on, see what the wife thinks. You can see when I'm around the house, I'm always wearing baggy, lazy stuff. So then a plain, what looks like a plain white shirt, but it has like a little emblem on it, which this is also black scale. I've never heard of black scale. They've got my size right, so medium. So I don't mind white shirts. That's definitely good. The next one is, that's not bad either. It's definitely bold. And this is made by the Raw, I can't even read that. The Raw Cut, I don't even know. Like, if you know the name of that, I have no idea. It's like the Raw. I'm not one to know that much style brands. So the next thing we have is a Cambridge Classic Medium. Collared shirt. Cambridge Classics Medium. It's okay, I guess. It's not bad. We'll see what the wife thinks here in a second. I'll bring her down. Then HTF high top fade socks. I'm always a fan of socks. These definitely matched that shirt. Those definitely match. And the last thing that this is in, last thing in here is a belt that looks worn out. What is the name of this? Doesn't say. Just season fall 2014. Fall 2014. So yeah, it's not a bad looking belt though. So it looks like it has like mountains in it, in that, like kind of mountains. And it says large, extra large, which I don't even think this belt, is this belt even gonna reach the holes? Yeah, I'm gonna end up having this on like the last hole, or I might have to create another hole because this is almost too big of a belt for me. But I don't know. For $150, I definitely could have picked out things that are better to store. This definitely doesn't stand like, say, bold, colorful to me like the selection that I selected. So these are definitely like not regular jeans, and I'm not a fan of skinny jeans, but I'm gonna go try this on, have my wife laugh at me because, well, she'll probably be like, what the heck is that? So I'll be right back. Yeah, so not a fan. Sorry, tried it. I had a feeling this was gonna happen. It's not even that I'm picky with clothing, but even my wife is like, what the hell? She likes this t-shirt. I like the socks. This says medium. This says medium on it. I normally wear a medium shirt, but look, like, this is a large. Like, this is not a medium. This is not a standard medium shirt. This is definitely a large. I am not large at all. I like sweatshirts large because I like them a little bit baggier. That way you can put them over things. This, without the sleeves, I'm not a fan of it because I'm not a big guy. And I admit, I'm not a big guy. I'm a skinny guy. I don't have big, bulky, strong, huge, muscular arms. I'm strong, but I don't have that big, like, rah. So to me, this looks freaking silly on me. Like, it doesn't look right. It's not the style that I would ever really wear. Especially, it's like, you know, even zipped up. You tell me, what do you think? Like, in these pants, to me, these pants would be for like clubbing all the time. If you're going like clubbing and that type of lifestyle all the time, they're not really that comfortable. I'm wearing them right now, and they're hard. They're not like they're like plastic feeling. It's not my style at all. So I have no idea why. It's like these remind me of the things that would be on the clothes rack. Not because it says it's cost $75, but because no one's gonna buy it. The belt says 2014 on it. I mean, like, seriously? Fall of 2014? This is supposed to be style? This is like out of a junk bin. Like, I would never buy this or even remotely consider it. I mean, it even looks like worn out. It's just like, why? It's like a Western style belt. So I'm gonna send this whole video once I compile it, send it to my stylist, and yeah, maybe I'll do like a little video of my closet. I'm kind of like a preppy guy. I like wear the casual prep, kind of, I don't know, like I've worn some H&M, but I'm more like Express. I'm not big fan on collared, like these like collared shirts. I'm not a big fan of that because, well, I have a bunch of that when I go to the club and that, but for normal wear, I like just mimic more t-shirt style. So guys, where to start? So I opened this about, I think, 4 days ago. I sent them an email basically explaining what I didn't like. They don't have a return policy. I already knew that. They only do exchange. So if you don't like something, you have to pay out of your own pocket to mail it back to them. So it took 2 days for them, from the time I emailed them, for them to respond. Then I asked them, okay, so I want to exchange these 4 items. Like, how do I send it back to you? Mail it to this address, whatever. And another day went by, and they're like, okay, you want to return these items. We don't do returns. We only do exchanges, yada, yada, yada. So they finally, 4th day today, finally send me like an email with return, not label, not shipping label, but like a return document to put in whatever I ship back to them. That way it gets processed faster. So we'll see how that works out. I'm not a fan. For the items I am shipping back, the pants, the sweatshirt, the white t-shirt, and the belt, those are just gonna send them back. We'll see what they do. Here's the other thing that's interesting is I told them also in a separate email to cancel my subscription. So they keep saying that they're gonna ship the items in the next crate, like the next box. I don't want another box, like, until I see what their next items are to go from there. But no matter what, it was $135 for this. And mind you, if you use the link in the description, if you want to try it out, I mean, you might have a better chance than I did. But if you use the link below, it gives you an extra $50 worth of stuff for your box. I used Spectacle for this month, and I got that $150 glasses. So if you look online, it says they're $150 on a bunch of different websites selling those. So it's kind of cool. It covers $135 obviously. So it's like, I mean, not that I'll probably use those glasses. I might just to play around with it, to do a little video or something like that when I'm on my skateboard. Summer's coming, car shows are coming. So again, thank you for watching. Please take care. Check these other videos out. Like, subscribe, comment what you think about this. Should I do the baller one and waste more money, or pick some other clothing thing to do an unboxing on? I'm just trying to change up my channel a little bit, do some more stuff. So bye.